How to apply CapCut Creator. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back again with a quick and easy tutorial on how to apply CapCut Creator. So let's get started. Firstly, open your CapCut application. Now here in the homepage of the CapCut, here you can see 4 different options at the bottom of the screen. Click on the templates option. Once you click on it, here you will see bunch of templates on your screen. So here in this screen above the templates, if you are eligible for applying CapCut Creator, you will see the button to apply for it. As you can see, there is no button for applying CapCut Creator. That means I am not eligible for applying CapCut Creator. So once you are eligible for applying CapCut Creator, the button will be shown on the templates option. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys understood. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.